I got a, let's see if it will focus. Okay, seems to be a chapstick. So I got a chapstick, and then these are the bundles. Now I haven't opened them as yet, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. So this is supposed to be raw Cambodian natural wave 18 inches. So let's see. I love the bags because it's really nice to put your hair in after. Wow. Okay, first impressions. I didn't think that the hair would have been so dark because I have had raw hair before. Usually it comes in like a number 2 color, but yeah, this is really dark. Okay, let's see what the other bundle looks like. Okay, this is bundle number 2. Sorry about that. Nice. And okay, sorry for all the shaking. And bundle number 3. So first impressions, you would find with raw hair you tend to get a lot of flyaways with your hair, as you can see. That's fine. The wefts, they look small, but they're thick from root. Let me see if I could see if it gets up better. Root to tip is thick all the way down, which I love about the hair. 3 bundles of 18 inches should be able to do a full head of hair. It's really beautiful hair. So I'm so excited. So I would always recommend, this is my 2nd time purchasing from Yummy. Actually no, 3rd time purchasing from Yummy, and I've never been disappointed with the hair. Oh, also in the bag you get a card just showing the type of hair that you purchase as well as the length. So yeah.